In this video, I'll show you how to install bathroom wall panels. Firstly, before touching anything, test fit the panels to see how they align with your walls. If the panels need trimming, cut the edges that will be against the wall and use a track saw or circular saw with cutting guide for clean, accurate cuts. Use the denatured alcohol to clean the back of the first panel and apply a 1/4" bead of adhesive every 10 to 12 inches on the back of the first panel. Press the first panel against the back of the wall and position it correctly, then apply a bead of color-matched seam sealer to the tongue of the panel. Apply adhesive to the back of the next panel and install it, then use tile setting suction cups and enlist a helper for easier installation. After pressing the panels together, clean any excess seam sealer for the joints using denatured alcohol. If the adhesive isn't holding the panels in place, use bracing boards to secure them temporarily. Measure and mark the spots where you need the holes for shower fixture and use a jigsaw with a fine-tooth blade or a hole saw based on the size of your texture. Ensure clean, accurate cuts. Now, just like the back panels, apply adhesive to the back of the side of the panels and press the panels into the place, trimming them to fit and securing them with adhesive and seam sealer on the joints. Apply a bead of seam sealer where the wall panels meet, especially in the corners, and consider using a bullnose edge or aluminum angle trim from outside corners. You can apply the trim using construction adhesive. Just follow these steps, ensure clean, durable, and secure installation of wet wall panels. Proper alignment, adhesive application, and sealing are essential for a long-lasting result. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.